Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm so excited because we're diving into a list of adorable and super easy hairstyles for everyone with short hair. If you're always on the lookout for quick, fun ways to style your hair, then this is the video for you. So grab your bobby pins, hair ties, and favorite clips, and let's get styling. 1. Mini Space Buns. Let's get playful with mini space buns. Part your hair down the middle, gather small sections from each side, twist them into mini buns, and secure them with little hair ties or pins. This fun hairstyle is perfect for a lively day out. 2. Headband hairstyle. Got a cute headband? This style is for you. Just place a headband on your hair, and voila, instant style. A headband is a versatile way to style short hair. For a chic look, slide a sleek headband over your hair. Want something playful? Pair it with loose waves for an effortless vibe. 3. Back bun hairstyle. A back bun is a simple yet elegant hairstyle for short hair, perfect for both casual and formal occasions. It's an easy way to make short hair look chic and sophisticated. 4. Bow hairstyle. A bow hairstyle is a cute and fun way to style short hair. To create it, gather the top section of your hair into a small ponytail, looping it halfway to form 2 bow loops. Spread them out, pin them in place, and tuck any ends for a polished look. This charming style is perfect for adding a playful touch to your look. 5. Bubble hairstyle. The bubble hairstyle is a playful look for short hair. Simply gather your hair into a ponytail, place elastics every few inches, and gently pull each section to create bubbles. This easy style adds volume and texture, perfect for a fun, casual vibe. 6. Messy bun. A messy bun is a quick and stylish option for short hair, adding a relaxed, effortless vibe to your look. To create it, gather your hair into a low or high ponytail, then twist and loosely secure it with bobby pins, letting a few strands fall naturally. For extra volume, gently tug on sections of the bun. This look is perfect for casual days, giving your short hair a carefree yet chic finish. 7. Dutch braids. Dutch braid is a beautiful and practical option for short hair, adding texture and style while keeping hair neatly in place. Secure it at the end with a small elastic, and let any loose strands frame your face for a relaxed look. 8. Sleek ponytail. A sleek ponytail is a polished, elegant style for short hair. Simply apply smoothing serum, comb hair back tightly, and secure it low at the nape. Wrap a small strand around the elastic for a clean, finished look. 9. Side low ponytail. Is a chic and effortless hairstyle for short hair, perfect for both casual and dressy occasions. This style is versatile and adds an elegant touch to any outfit. 10. Braided top knot. A braided top knot is a chic hairstyle for short hair. Start by braiding the top section of your hair, then gather the remaining hair into a high bun. This stylish look combines elegance and playfulness, perfect for any occasion. 11. Messy waves. Simple messy waves add texture to short hair for a fun, casual look. Apply texturizing spray to damp hair, then use a curling wand to create loose waves. This effortless style is perfect for everyday wear. 12. Mini front braids. Mini front braids are a cute and trendy hairstyle for short hair that adds a playful touch. To create this look, part a small section of hair at the front on either side of your head. Braid each section into a small, tight braid, securing the ends with tiny elastics. This hairstyle is perfect for keeping hair out of your face while showcasing your braids, making it great for everyday wear or special occasions. 13. Double braided buns. Double braided buns are a fun and stylish look that's perfect for short hair, adding both texture and flair. Then, braid each section into a simple 3-strand or French braid, starting from the top and working your way down. Once each braid is done, twist it into a small bun and secure it with bobby pins or elastics. 14. Dutch lace braids. Dutch lace braids are a stylish way to frame the face, especially on short hair. This braid style involves taking a small section of hair from one side and braiding it along the hairline, only adding hair from the top as you go. It's perfect for adding detail to your look, keeping hair out of your face while adding a unique, elegant touch. 15. Festival hairstyle. This elegant festival hairstyle features 2 small buns for a chic, balanced look. Part your hair down the middle, secure each side with an elastic, then twist or braid each section and wrap them into buns at the back. Secure with pins, and add accessories if desired for a playful, stylish finish. 16. French braid. 2 French braids on short hair create a cute, sporty look that's practical and stylish. Start by parting your hair down the middle to create 2 sections. Take one side and begin a French braid near the front, adding small pieces as you braid down toward the nape. 17. Cross braids with bun. The cute hairstyle for everyday wear. Create 2 braids on each side at the front, then gather the rest of your hair into a high ponytail. Twist the ponytail into a bun and secure it with pins. Finally, cross the braids over the bun and wrap them around it, securing the ends to add an elegant, detailed touch. 18. Sectioned pigtails. Sectioned pigtails are a fun and playful hairstyle. Start by parting your hair down the middle or to the side, then divide each section into smaller parts. Gather each part into a ponytail and secure with elastics. You can leave them straight or add curls for extra texture. This versatile look is perfect for casual outings or festivals. 19. Dutch braid messy bun. Dutch braid messy bun is a stylish, relaxed hairstyle. Start by creating a Dutch braid at the top of your hair, crossing the strands under as you add hair. Secure the braid with an elastic. Then, gather the rest of your hair into a messy bun at the back, twisting and pinning it loosely. Allow some strands to fall out for an effortless look. This chic style is perfect for casual outings. 20. Twisted ponytails. Take 2 sections of hair and create ponytails on both sides of your head. Next, take the ends of each ponytail and intertwine them together, wrapping them around each other for a stylish finish. This technique not only adds a unique twist to your look, but also keeps your hair secure and polished. 21. Claw clip hairstyle. Create a ponytail at the back of your head and secure it with a claw clip for a chic, effortless style. Leave a few strands of hair out at the front to frame your face, which adds a soft touch to the overall look. 22. Ribbon hairstyle. Create 2 ponytails on either side of your head, then tie a ribbon around the base of each ponytail for a cute and playful touch. This addition not only keeps the ponytail secure, but also adds a fun pop of color and style to your look. And that's it, 22 cute and easy hairstyles for short hair. I hope you found some inspiration here to switch up your daily looks. Let me know which style was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share.